Imagine sipping your morning brew, not just for its rich flavor, but also as a potent remedy for ailments. In this video, we will explore 7 powerful ingredients that can transform your daily cup of tea or coffee into a healing elixir. These ingredients have been cherished by Zen practitioners for centuries, and their benefits extend far beyond mere taste. Let's unlock the secrets of these 7 ingredients. Remember, it's not just about what you drink, it's about how you drink. Cultivate presence, gratitude, and intention with each sip. 1. Matcha green tea. Picture yourself in a serene Japanese tea garden, surrounded by lush greenery. The air is crisp, and the scent of freshly brewed matcha fills the space. This powdered green tea has been an integral part of Zen Buddhist rituals for centuries, and its significance extends beyond mere taste. Origins and preparation. Matcha originated in China, but found its true home in Japan. Zen monks embraced it during their meditation practices, recognizing its ability to enhance focus and clarity. The preparation of matcha is an art form. The leaves are meticulously shaded before harvest, allowing them to develop rich chlorophyll content. After plucking, they're steamed, dried, and ground into a fine powder. The vibrant green hue of matcha reflects its high chlorophyll levels, making it a visual delight. Mindful sips. When you sip matcha, you're not just drinking, you're engaging in a mindful ritual. The act of whisking the powder with hot water becomes a meditation, a moment to center yourself. The amino acid L-theanine in matcha promotes a calm alertness. It balances the caffeine content, preventing jitters and crashes. Zen practitioners appreciate matcha for its ability to enhance concentration during long hours of meditation. Health benefits. Antioxidant powerhouse. Matcha boasts catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These compounds protect cells from oxidative damage. Boosts metabolism. The combination of caffeine and EGCG revs up your metabolism, aiding weight management. Detoxification. Chlorophyll helps eliminate toxins, promoting overall well-being. Immune support. Matcha strengthens the immune system thanks to its polyphenols. Ceremonial use. The Japanese tea ceremony, chanoyu, elevates matcha to a spiritual level. Each movement, the whisking, the bowl, the silence, holds profound meaning. Monks sip matcha before meditation, seeking clarity and presence. It's a bridge between the mundane and the transcendent. Incorporate matcha into your daily routine. Whether you whisk it traditionally or blend it into a latte, let each sip remind you of the Zen wisdom it carries. May you find solace in the vibrant green depths of matcha. 2. Turmeric, the golden spice that transcends culinary boundaries and resonates deeply within Zen Buddhism. Origins and symbolism. Turmeric, scientifically known as curcuma longa, hails from South Asia, where it has been revered for millennia. Its vibrant yellow hue mirrors a sun's warmth and enlightenment. In Zen philosophy, turmeric embodies transformation. Just as the spice stains everything it touches, our experiences leave indelible marks on our consciousness. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes physical ailments and calms the inner storms of the mind. Imagine sipping a cup of turmeric-infused tea, the warmth seeping into your cells, easing tension and inviting stillness. Digestive harmony. Zen practitioners understand that true nourishment extends beyond the physical. Turmeric aids digestion, promoting harmony within the body. A pinch of turmeric in your morning coffee or tea can awaken your digestive fire, encouraging mindful consumption. Metaphorical alchemy. Turmeric's transformational magic lies in its ability to shift perspectives. Just as it turns bland dishes into golden feasts, it invites us to transmute life's challenges into wisdom. When you sip turmeric-spiced beverages, consider the alchemical process within. What bitterness can you transform into sweetness? Golden milk ritual. Zen monks and yogis alike embrace golden milk. This concoction combines turmeric, warm milk, or plant-based alternatives, black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and a touch of honey. As you stir the golden liquid, visualize it infusing your being with compassion, resilience, and clarity. Mindful sips. Turmeric invites us to slow down. Sip deliberately, honoring the earth's gifts. Feel the warmth radiate from your cup, connecting you to generations past. Inhale the aroma, an ancient whisper reminding you that healing is a gradual process. Remember, the journey of healing mirrors the steeping of tea leaves. The longer it takes, the richer the flavor. May you embrace turmeric's wisdom and sip your way toward holiness. 3. Ginger, a fiery root that dances between spice and serenity within the realm of Zen Buddhism. Rooted origins. Ginger, Zingiber officinale, traces its lineage to ancient India and China. Its knotted appearance mirrors life's twists and turns. Zen monks revered ginger for its ability to ignite the inner fire, the same fire that fuels meditation and self-awareness. Digestive alchemy. Imagine sipping ginger-infused tea, the warmth spreading from your throat to your belly. Ginger stimulates digestion, easing discomfort and promoting mindful nourishment. As you sip, consider the alchemy, raw ingredients transformed into vitality. Soul-soothing. Ginger warms not only the body but also the spirit. It's a hug in a cup, a reminder that even in solitude, we're connected to generations who brewed ginger teas. When life feels cold, ginger whispers, you carry warmth within. Anti-nausea elixir. Zen practitioners know that stillness isn't always serene. Seasickness during meditation, ginger to the rescue. Whether in tea or chewed raw, ginger settles the stomach, allowing the mind to find its center. Mindful grating. Grate fresh ginger mindfully. Feel the fibers yield, releasing their essence. Each stroke is a meditation, a reminder to be present. Add it to your morning coffee or tea, and let the warmth awaken your senses. Metaphorical heat. Just as ginger heats the body, it stirs our emotions. Anger, passion, determination, they all simmer like ginger in hot water. Sip slowly. Let the heat transform you. Remember, ginger isn't merely a spice, it's a companion on your journey. May you embrace its fiery wisdom and find solace in its warmth. 4. Cinnamon, a fragrant spice that weaves warmth and wisdom within the tapestry of Zen Buddhism. Ancient origins. Cinnamon, Cinnamomum verum, has ancient roots in Sri Lanka, India, and beyond. Its bark curls like a secret waiting to be unraveled. Zen practitioners appreciate cinnamon's delicate balance, the sweetness that tempers life's bitterness. Sensory symphony. Close your eyes and inhale the aroma of cinnamon-infused tea. It's a symphony of memories, the hearth, grandmother's kitchen, and whispered prayers. As you sip, let the warmth cradle your heart. Cinnamon knows how to hold space. Balancing act. Cinnamon harmonizes flavors. It dances with bitterness, transforming it into depth. Just as Zen seeks balance, cinnamon bridges extremes. Add a cinnamon stick to your morning brew. Feel the equilibrium settle within. Metaphorical layers. Peel back the layers of cinnamon bark. Each reveals a hidden core, a reminder that wisdom lies beneath the surface. Sip mindfully. Imagine the layers of your own being, the stories, scars, and resilience. Blood sugar guardian. Zen monks honor their vessels, the body, as sacred. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, nurturing the temple. In each sip, honor your vessel. Let cinnamon remind you of impermanence and reverence. Ceremonial spice. Cinnamon graces festive rituals. It's the warmth of celebration, the flicker of enlightenment candles. As you sip, consider life's cyclical nature. Birth, death, rebirth, the cinnamon wheel turns. Remember, cinnamon isn't just a flavor, it's an invitation to savor existence. May you embrace its gentle fire and find solace in its sweet wisdom. May you sip from the cup of cinnamon-infused mindfulness. 5. Holy basil, Tulsi, a sacred herb that resonates with Zen Buddhism's reverence for nature and inner balance. Divine origins. Tulsi, Ocimum sanctum, is more than a plant, it's a living prayer. In Hindu tradition, it's considered an incarnation of the goddess Tulsi. Zen practitioners recognize its purity, the way it unfurls its leaves toward the sun, seeking enlightenment. Stress alleviation. Tulsi is an adaptogen, a natural stress reliever. Its aroma alone transports you to temple courtyards, where incense mingles with whispered chants. Sip Tulsi tea mindfully. Let its warmth cradle your worries. Immunity booster. Zen wisdom extends beyond the self. Tulsi strengthens the immune system, reminding us that interconnectedness heals. As you sip, visualize its leaves as shields, protecting your inner temple. Mindful harvest. Pluck Tulsi leaves with reverence. Each leaf carries centuries of devotion. Feel the earth's pulse in your fingertips. Add them to your morning ritual. Taste the devotion. Spiritual connection. Tulsi bridges realms. It's the thread connecting earthly existence to cosmic awareness. Inhale its fragrance. Imagine roots reaching deep, anchoring you to the present. Ceremonial sips. Zen monks sip Tulsi tea before meditation. It clears mental fog, allowing clarity to bloom. As you drink, honor the lineage, the hands that tended Tulsi across generations. Remember, Tulsi isn't just a herb, it's a whispered mantra. May you find solace in its fragrant embrace. May you sip from the cup of Tulsi-infused mindfulness. 6. Lemon. More than just zesty additions to your favorite dishes, they're tiny powerhouses of health benefits. Origins. Lemons are believed to have originated in Sri Lanka, India, Malaysia, and China. Ancient traders carried them along spice-laden trade routes, spreading their golden allure across continents. Preparation. Arab traders whispered secrets of health and flavor, elevating lemons beyond mere fruit. Genoa in the 15th century witnessed the birth of substantial lemon groves, gracing European gardens and kitchens. Christopher Columbus carried lemon seeds to the Americas, weaving them into culinary history. Now, let's explore the vibrant qualities of lemon. Heart health. Lemons are high in heart-healthy vitamin C. Just one lemon provides about 31 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 51% of the recommended daily intake. Research shows that consuming fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Beyond vitamin C, lemons contain fiber and plant compounds at significantly lower cholesterol. Hesperidin and diosmin found in lemons contribute to heart health. Weight control. While lemons are often promoted as weight loss aids, the evidence is mixed. The soluble pectin fiber in lemons may expand in your stomach, promoting fullness. However, most people don't eat lemons whole, so this effect is limited. Lemon juice itself contains no pectin, so lemon water won't promote fullness in the same way. Some studies suggest that lemon compounds may aid weight loss, but human effects remain uncertain. Kidney stone prevention. Citric acid in lemons increases urine volume and pH, creating an unfavorable environment for kidney stone formation. Just half a cup, 125 ml, of lemon juice daily may help prevent kidney stones in those prone to them. Digestive health. Lemon's acidity aids digestion and may relieve symptoms associated with pathogenic bacteria. They also alkalize the body, promoting balance and gut health. Skin and immune system. Vitamin C supports your immune system and enhances skin health. Lemon's antioxidants protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Cancer prevention. While not a cure, lemon compounds may play a role in cancer prevention. Regular consumption, along with a balanced diet, contributes to overall health and resilience. Remember, lemons are versatile. Use their juice, zest, and peel to infuse your meals with both flavor and well-being. So, as you slice a lemon, remember, within its zest lies a saga of trade winds, healing ships, and the zest for life itself. Sip slowly, my friend, for each drop holds a piece of this timeless tale. 7. Raw honey, a golden elixir that resonates with Zen Buddhism's reverence for simplicity, purity, and interconnectedness. Harvested wisdom. Raw honey isn't just a sweetener, it's a collaboration between bees and blossoms. Zen monks observe this dance, the bees' devotion to their hive, the flowers' surrender to pollination. Imagine sipping honey-infused tea, the sun's warmth captured in each drop. Healing alchemy. Raw honey soothes sore throats, just as meditation soothes restless minds. It coats the senses, inviting stillness. When you stir honey into your cup, consider the alchemical transformation, the nectar becoming medicine. Sacred offering. In temples, honey adorns altars. It's an offering to deities, symbolizing devotion and gratitude. As you sip, honor the bees, their tireless work, their interconnected dance. Antibacterial grace. Zen gardens teach us to tend the soil. Honey, too, tends wounds. Its antibacterial properties heal from within. Taste the sweetness. Feel it mend unseen fractures. Mindful sips. Sip honey mindfully. Let it linger on your tongue. Each drop carries the sun's journey. Inhale its floral essence. Connect to the bees' flight paths, their zigzagging purpose. Metaphorical hive. Just as bees build hives, we build our inner sanctuaries. Honey reminds us to gather sweetness, even amid life's stings. Savor the moment. Let honey drip into your awareness. Remember, raw honey isn't just a condiment, it's a lesson in presence. May you taste its wisdom and find sweetness in the simplest moments. May you sip from the cup of honey-infused mindfulness. As we conclude our journey through these 7 transformative ingredients, remember that the path to wellness is not just about what we consume, but how we approach each moment. Whether you choose to incorporate matcha's serene ritual, turmeric's transformative warmth, or ginger's fiery embrace into your daily routine, each sip can be a reminder of mindfulness and intention. Let these ingredients serve as guides on your journey toward balance and healing. Embrace the wisdom of Zen Buddhism, where every action, even savoring a cup of tea or coffee, can be a meditation. Cultivate gratitude for the earth's offerings and awareness of the interconnectedness of all things. So, as you prepare your next cup, may you find solace in the rituals and flavors that nourish both body and spirit. With each mindful sip, may you embark on a path of wellness and inner peace. Join us on our journey to explore the profound teachings of Zen Buddhism through mindful living and holistic wellness. Subscribe to Buddhism Bliss for more enlightening content and discover how ancient wisdom can enrich your modern life. Embrace tranquility today.